Guys, I have never seen a more beautiful monitor than the Tandem OLED Asus PG27AQWP, even with Halo campaign evolved. The monitor just makes the games come alive. Now, the game is awesome already, but with these visuals, the brightness impact, the HDR that this monitor can give you, it really does elevate your gaming. And I find myself playing a lot of my old school or old games, older backlog, you know what I'm talking about, once again on this OLED monitor. And it's all due to the true black glossy coating that's very reflective, very mirror-like. And of course, with the brightness impact of display HDR 500 True Black, Quad HD at 540Hz, so even my RTX 4080 can handle it with no problem. 1500 nits of peak power in those peak highlights, and support for DisplayPort 2.1. This monitor can do it all, and it's gonna future-proof you if you need Quad HD. Here up on screen, I'll have my best impactful settings. With the racing preset, console HDR, adjustable HDR is enabled with brightness at 100, contrast at 70, with color temperature at 6500K. And I have all the logo stuff disabled in the monitor menu. Now I'll have much more POV gaming with this monitor and a variety of games, the newer games, so I can help you make that awesome buying decision. Is this monitor worth it? Is it on your radar? Are you deciding? Because these are expensive monitors. This is over $1,000. So I feel you. And that's what I do. I do my research before I buy anything. I always buy my monitors with my own money. And that's what I showcase. Things that I truly love, and I want to show it with you. This is an awesome monitor. I mean, even with the body design with the blue logo, I love that difference versus the red. It's little things like that. With the silver all-clear backing of the monitor. And if you pair it with an awesome soundbar, or your total immersion like I have here, your gaming just is elevated. Now I'll have Call of Duty, Halo, Token Fighters, a whole bunch of games, Gears, everything's going to be shown on this monitor. This is one of my favorite monitors I have ever used, and it's really hard to go back to other monitors once I have this set up on my desk. You know, the image speaks for itself. This is a beautiful, colorful, bright, impactful monitor. And with Tandem OLED, things are just getting better year on year. I can't wait to see what the future holds for WOLED or Tandem OLED, RGB stripe OLED, all that. Technology is getting better and more affordable. I hope these monitors do come down in price. It's $1,000, that's TV territory. But still, you get a lot for what you're paying for, especially from a premium brand like Asus. But this is a POV gaming video, and now I'll leave you with gameplay of Halo Campaign Evolved on one of the best gaming monitors on the market today, with the Asus PG27AQWP Tandem OLED 540Hz Quad HD gaming monitor. Let's see if these explosions can really pop.
That's the last of them. Hey, watch it.
Spirit on approach.
All clear.
We may have a problem here. These masters are everywhere.
Go around. All clear.
Get ready for enemy reinforcements.
They're multiplying.
Midshipman
Look, more lifeboats. They're coming in fast. If those lifeboats make it down, the Covenant are going to be right on top of them.
Bowhammer, we need you to disengage your Warthog. The Master Chief and I are going to see if we can save some soldiers.
Roger, Cortana.
The Master Chief and I need some backup. Can you spare a few men?
Sure, Cortana. All right, ladies. Volunteers, step up. On the double. The rest of you get to the dropship.
Survivors will probably stick close to their emergency beacons. We need to find where the lifeboats landed. My topographical scans indicate a subterranean passage nearby. It looks like our best route out of this valley. This cave is not a natural formation. Someone built it, so it must lead somewhere. I've hacked into the Covenant battle network. They're actually broadcasting tactical data on unencrypted channels. We should show them who they're dealing with. Master Chief, I'm going to use your suit's transcom system to monitor their chatter. This lapse in their security is promising. I should be able to analyze their defensive systems. I'll alert you when I find something of interest.
We got Tangos ready to go around. Give me the assist over here.
Located the bridge controls. They're on that ledge.
Nice work, buddy. Oh, that's my kill.
There's new traffic on the Covenant battle network. A lot more crew made it off the Autumn than I had predicted. The Captain really gave them hell. If we can find Captain Keyes and the other survivors, we have a chance to coordinate an effective resistance.
Echo 419 to Cortana, come in. I've spotted additional lifeboats in your area. One near a rock slide, one near the cliff edge, and another near the head of the river. Hard to see from my altitude, but it looks like there are more survivors.
Acknowledged. We're on our way.
I'm detecting marine IFF signals beyond that marker.
Going cold.
Survivors detected. Marines are concealed in those rocks. Alert, there are jackal snipers on the high ground. I recommend you stay out of their line of fire.
Dropship inbound.
Spirit incoming!
Better run your windshield wipers. Invincible! Going cold.
Heads up, Spirit, drop it in.
Yeah, you want some too?
Spirit on approach. Dropship inbound.
Good here.
I got multiple pings. Hey, I do this all day, boys.
Dropship incoming!
One you can start.
Shooting fork inbound.
More, please.
Enemy troop carrier inbound!
Spirit on approach.
Stay with him.
Covering fire! I'm taking fire!
Steady.
Stand by, Marines. I've called Echo 419 for evac. We should dust off shortly.
Roger that. Marines! Assemble for evac! Pronto!
Third wheel.
Area secure.
Interesting. The word on the Covenant BattleNet is find and expunge the putrid apes. Sounds like we made quite an impression. We need to find the other two lifeboats.
Hostiles.
There are some Marines hiding in the hills above the structure.
Got company.
Keep covering fire!
Hit. Keep fire. Keep fire. Got incoming. Take it, John. I'm hit.
Where'd that come from?
Keep it clean, troopers. Get him out.
Heavy dropships on the way!
I've located the final lifeboat. I'll give you a nav point to the beacon.
Area secure.
Warning, I've picked up reports that the Covenant have located and secured the Pillar of Autumn's crash site. The good news is the captain is still alive. The bad news is that the Covenant have captured the entire surviving command.
Contact.
Survivors detected beneath that tower. Let's find a way down.
Horn! That all you got?
Keep it up, people.
Aha! Heretic revealed! Last check! contact!
That's the last of them.
Roger that. I'm on my way.
Still standing.